हम तहे दिल से आपका शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं। I can be a great speaker, I can speak for days, but today I don't want to speak much because the evening is earmarked for something very different than what we intend doing in speeches. बाद मुद्दत के ऐसी ईवाई आप आए तो जिंदगी आई। शुक्रिया है हुजूर आने का, वक्त जागा गरीब खाने का। तो इन्हीं चंद अल्फाज से हम आज की शाम शुरू करते हैं और भारतीय परंपरा के हिसाब से हम दीपक प्रज्वलन से लाइटिंग ऑफ द लैंप्स से स्टार्ट करेंगे। And I like to invite some of the dignitaries of the town, the cream of the city, to kindly come on the stage and light the lamp. So the call goes to Shri Pratap Bhai Patel. Sister Flora, Sister Lillian, Shri Gajendra Chopra, who has come all the way from Delhi. Shri Ravi Sohi also has come all the way from Delhi. And also Swati Surve ji, Shrimati Swati Surve. Please come and honor and start this evening with a wonderful lighting of the lamp. Vishala, wherever you are, please come. Is Vishala there? Yeah. Ready? And one more, and that goes to Mrs. Rajni Chopra. Please come on stage. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sisters. Thank you. Please come. While they are returning to the auditorium, let me introduce a very charming young lady. She has grown up with music and doing a research which is called Sound and Healing with the latest technology. Vedic mantras have a lot to do with the therapeutic values of human beings. And this young lady, charming lady, sings those Vedic mantras. To start the evening with the invocation to the Lord, I hereby invite a young lady who has done Visharad from the Lucknow University of Indian Classical Music. She herself also owns a bachelor's degree in psychology and a very charming person on the whole who has devoted a lot of time in serving the Lord through Chinmay Mission. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome Vishala Khurana for the invocation.
ॐ स्वस्ति प्रजाभयः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महिषः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं क्षोभरहित ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः ॐ सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ असतो मा गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः
Till I met this young man, I thought I was a unique person starting my career and started earning at the age of 18. And then I met him. And I heard that this young man also started his career, started earning at the age of 18. So that made two of us. So the only thing I could do, which I did, was to include him in the family. Here is a young man who has done masters in marketing management, MBA, and inherited a training business from his father at a very young age. And he was lucky to have got the training, first-hand training from the world's best trainer or best-known person in the field of neuro-linguistic programming, the world authority called Richard Bandler, and this young man was lucky to have the training from him. Not only that, he has also attended training programs with world luminaries like Tom Peters, Dr. Stephen Covey, who he has heard them. The story doesn't end here. This person has actually made a difference in 1 lakh of people in this town itself, Mumbai city, through a battery of about 8,000 people whom he has trained directly in leadership and personality development. You see, already earthquake is coming. I have not yet announced his name, and you see the world has started trembling. God is kind. Thank you so much. So, from now onwards, you will be seeing and hearing him more. And the only thing we can do to install him on the stage, that is to give a big, loud applause when I say, "Here comes Samir Surve!" All yours.
You hear me now? You can. Good evening and welcome to all of you. Arey, say good evening at least. In fact, I don't know, I'm so overwhelmed, I'm so filled with emotions. I'm feeling so nice because nobody ever praised me so much in my life. For the first time, I've got so much of praise. And at one time, I just can't digest it. So, let me soak into my own happiness. I need some time for myself. But let's set the ball rolling and start the evening with a wonderful Diya dance.
रब से